In this video, I will be teaching you how to use DALL Image Creator for free. First step, get Firefox installed, create a Microsoft account, search for Binge Image Creator in your browser, and this will take you to the Microsoft DALL Image Creator. All you need to do right now is write a prompt, describe the image that you want to create. Once you're done writing your prompt, click on the create icon and wait for your results to be rendered. And there we go. Have a look at the results produced by our DALL image creators. And wait, the fun's not over yet. I'm gonna refine this prompt to add more details and more depth. And after that, I want you to see the final results from our DALL image creator. I would like SpongeBob to wear cricket pads in the next image. So let me just quickly write that down. And now let's wait for our AI model to render the results. There you go. Look at that final image. How cool is that? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such epic AI content.